Experiencing a USB drive not supported or format error on your Tesla Model 3 dashcam? You're not alone. Many owners face this issue, especially with third-party USB drives. This section clarifies why these errors occur, focusing on the core problem: incompatibility between the dashcam system and the USB drive. We'll introduce the key culprits behind these errors and their impact on dashcam functionality. The errors stem from Tesla's data integrity prioritization that can affect broad USB compatibility with its dashcam features. Tesla dashcams require the exFAT file system. Using FAT32 or NTFS will cause errors. exFAT supports larger file sizes up to 16 terabytes needed for high-quality video and is optimized for fast transfers. FAT32 is limited to 4 gigabytes files, which causes fragmentation. NTFS is simply incompatible with Tesla's Linux-based system. Reformatting your drive to exFAT is often the first and simplest solution. USB speed and type are critical factors for the Tesla Model 3 dashcam to work properly. Your USB drive needs to be at least USB 3.0 for sufficient read-write speeds, requiring a minimum of 50 to 100 megabytes per second. USB 3.0 provides the necessary speed, while older USB 2.0 versions are too slow. Slow USB 2.0 drives cause buffering issues and trigger drive too slow errors in the Tesla system. Consider using a high-speed SSD for increased reliability and performance over traditional hard drives. The Tesla Model 3 uses either USB-A or USB-C ports, and high-speed SSDs offer superior reliability compared to HDDs. When selecting a USB drive for your Tesla Model 3 dashcam, capacity and quality are crucial factors that directly impact reliability and performance. For drive capacity, aim for 64 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes. This range provides sufficient storage for high-quality dashcam footage, including Sentry mode recordings and incident captures, without risking data overflow or fragmentation issues. Drive quality is equally important. Low-quality or counterfeit USB drives often feature substandard flash memory chips that cannot handle the high-speed read-write operations required by Tesla's dashcam system. This leads to data corruption, format errors, and ultimately, unreliable recordings. Always opt for genuine drives from trusted manufacturers to ensure data integrity. When you insert a USB drive, Tesla's system automatically verifies the drive's specifications, including capacity and compatibility. To avoid data corruption and potential drive damage, it's essential to always eject the drive properly using the touchscreen interface rather than simply unplugging it. This ensures all data is safely written and the drive is unmounted correctly. Before fixing the USB error, watch as we connect a USB drive to the Tesla Model 3 dashboard. Important: before formatting, back up all your data. The formatting process will erase everything on the USB drive. For Windows users, start by inserting your USB drive and opening Disk Management. Search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions in the Start menu. In Disk Management, locate your USB drive. It will appear as a disk with partitions. Be careful to select the correct drive to avoid formatting the wrong one. Right-click on the USB drive partition and select Format from the menu. In the Format window, choose exFAT as the file system. You can name the drive Tesla Cam here. Then click Start to Format. For macOS users, insert your USB drive and open Disk Utility from Applications, Utilities. In Disk Utility, select your USB drive from the sidebar on the left. Make sure it's the correct drive. Click the Erase button at the top. Choose exFAT as the format and name it Tesla Cam. Then click Erase to complete. exFAT is the recommended file system because it supports large file sizes up to 16 terabytes and is optimized for high-speed transfers, reducing errors in Tesla dashcam recordings. Let's examine real-world examples. In 2025, a Reddit user reported repeated format error messages with their 128 gigabyte USB 2.0 drive. After reformatting the drive to exFAT, using Windows Disk Management and upgrading to a faster USB 3.0 drive, the error was resolved. Their dashcam recordings remained stable for over 6 months. This highlights the importance of speed, as initial tests showed write speeds of only 10 megabytes per second compared to 80 megabytes per second after the upgrade. Another success story from Tesla forums in 2025 involved a user dealing with data corruption after a firmware update due to a counterfeit USB drive. By switching to a genuine SanDisk USB 3.1 drive that was pre-formatted in exFAT, the problem was completely resolved. This allowed for smooth 4K dashcam footage recording without any lag. Tesla support even confirmed the drive's authenticity through a serial number check. A rideshare company operating 50 Model 3 vehicles from 2024 to 2025 initially relied on inexpensive bulk USB 2.0 drives, which led to a 40% failure rate in dashcam functionality. By standardizing their fleet with exFAT formatted USB 3.0 SSDs, they reduced failures to less than 5%, resulting in annual savings of $10,000 in drive replacements and maintenance. Experts from Tesla Motors Club emphasize that exFAT is non-negotiable for Tesla dashcams. A survey revealed that 85% of USB errors are resolved by exFAT formatting alone. USB 3.0 drives reduce error rates by 70% compared to USB 2.0. The best practice is to avoid cheap drives and test speeds using tools like Crystal Disk Mark.